Have you ever wondered who truly pulls the strings behind the financial tools and apps we use every day? It's easy to assume that the founders or the public are always in charge, but in the world of publicly traded companies, the ownership landscape can be surprisingly complex. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Expensify, the popular expense management platform, to uncover its largest shareholders. You might be surprised by who holds the biggest pieces of this pie. Expensify, known for its user-friendly interface and streamlined expense reporting, has become a go-to solution for individuals and businesses alike. But when a company goes public, its ownership structure becomes a blend of different types of investors, all with varying interests and influence. Understanding who these shareholders are provides crucial insight into the company's direction, its priorities, and even its long-term stability. So, let's get right to it. When we talk about largest shareholders, we're generally looking at a combination of institutional investors, individual insiders, and sometimes even other companies. Each of these groups plays a distinct role in shaping a company's destiny. First up, a significant portion of Expensify is held by institutional investors. These are the big players in the financial world: mutual funds, pension funds, hedge funds, and other large financial institutions. They invest on behalf of their clients and often hold substantial blocks of shares. Among the prominent institutional shareholders in Expensify, you'll find names like Vanguard Group Incorporated, Ameriprise Financial Incorporated, D.E. Shaw & Company, Inc., and Marshall Wass, LLP. These firms manage vast portfolios, and their investment in Expensify signifies their belief in its potential. Their decisions, whether to buy more or sell off shares, can have a noticeable impact on the stock's performance. Next, we have the insiders. These are the individuals directly involved with the company, the founders, executives, and board members. Their ownership is often seen as a sign of confidence, as they have a vested interest in the company's success. For Expensify, a notable insider is Stephen J. McLaughlin, who holds a significant stake. Also, the company's CEO, David Michael Barrett, while having reduced some holdings, still retains a substantial direct and indirect ownership. The actions of insiders, particularly their buying or selling of shares, are closely watched by investors as they can signal future trends or changes within the company. Beyond these major institutional and insider holdings, a considerable portion of Expensify's stock is also held by retail investors, that's you and me, the individual investors who buy shares through brokerage accounts. While no single retail investor holds a dominant stake, collectively, their ownership can be quite substantial and influence market sentiment. It's also worth noting the presence of early investors, such as venture capital firms, who helped fund Expensify in its earlier stages. While some may have exited or reduced their positions after the IPO, their initial backing was crucial in getting the company off the ground. Firms like OpenView Advisors, Redpoint Ventures, and SV Angel were instrumental in Expensify's early funding rounds. The balance between these different types of shareholders can be dynamic. For instance, sometimes a large block of institutional ownership can provide stability, while a high percentage of insider ownership suggests strong alignment between management and shareholders. Conversely, large shifts in institutional holdings or significant insider selling can raise questions about a company's future prospects. In Expensify's case, the mix of institutional backing, substantial insider ownership, and a considerable retail investor base creates a diverse shareholder ecosystem. This blend reflects the company's journey from a startup to a publicly traded entity, attracting a wide range of investors with different investment horizons and motivations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.